What's up, YouTube? Freddy Pressure here, and I'm back today to bring you guys another video trying to bring better content with better topics. Now, on today's video, I'm gonna be, well, as you can see in the back here on the video, I'm actually cleaning a driveway here with no chemicals. I just wanted to test it out and see how it would look with this surface cleaner here, and it didn't come out too bad, but I still went over it at the end. Once I did the spray off, I still went over it with some cleaning solution. I just pumped it, sprayed it from the bottle. But today I just want to talk to you guys about niches, what you should focus on when you first getting into the business on a budget. Okay, I'm saying you getting in the business, you got your equipment, you don't have the 8 gallon per minute, you don't have the big expensive equipment, you don't have a ton of money for marketing, you don't have license or insurance, which is a big deal. You don't have you just don't have everything. You're on a budget. You just getting into the business and you just trying to get some money. You just trying to grow and you just trying to get yourself some leads. I think your main focus should be your niche. Me personally, I think you should focus on surface cleaning. Why you say that, Freddie, is what you ask. Why should I focus on surface cleaning? Why shouldn't I focus on houses and the big commercial, the big stuff, the houses where I can get the money? Why? Is because you do not have a reputation yet. Okay, you have to start from the bottom and work your way up. Don't think you finna come in this business making $700 deals. Just coming into the business, man, you gotta start from the bottom. So I recommend, when you're getting into the business, you don't have anything, you on a very low budget, all you have is your machine, a will to succeed, determination to get out here and get this money. I think you should focus on surface cleaning, driveways, sidewalks, entryways, patios, if don't have paint on it, little things like that. That way you don't need the insurance really to cover. You're less likely to damage a concrete driveway. Okay, so you're less likely to damage an entryway or some sidewalks with a surface cleaner, and you don't really need a lot of chlorine or a lot of SH. You don't need a lot of bleach or chemical to really get into the business. And that's good when you first starting out, man. You don't want to spend a lot of money, and most importantly, you don't want to damage a customer's property because you're inexperienced. And not only that, you once you get in the range of charging people, $600, $700, $800, $1,000 deals, or whatever the case is, the more money a person spend, the more they expecting from you. So if you just starting out, you really don't have the experience, you really don't have the equipment, you really don't have the background, learn, man. Learn. Start with the surface cleaning. Get yourself if you got a small pressure washer, get yourself one of those little small 15-inch, 10-inch surface cleaners from Lowe's or Home Depot, and focus on surfaces. And that way you can learn the business, you can get your name out there, you can build yourself a reputation, and your business will gradually grow, and you start to see things. Like I say, always upsell. You start to learn things and you get more confident. But focus on, that's like me here. I focus, my niche is driveways. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't focus on houses. I don't focus on anything like some of these guys, a lot of people do. My main focus is driveways, and from there I build rapport with the customers and I upsell from there. And so that's what I recommend to you guys. Just getting into the business. You on a budget, you don't have a lot of money to get started. Focus on driveways, focus on sidewalks, focus on entryways, focus on surfaces. Give the customers a good deal and learn. Get your name out there, get your reputation for doing quality work in the neighborhood. People see you out working and see you do good work, and that's how you build a business, man. That's how I started. So hey, like I say, I'm just trying to give you guys more information and do what I can to help. Hit the like button, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you want more content. I got a couple videos coming up. I want to give you guys some pictures and before and after, what I think can help, absolutely free. But like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit that thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys' support. I'm trying to bring you better content. Freddie Pressure here, and we out.